Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the circuit and unplug devices so you work safely. Once power is confirmed off with a tester, remove the wall plate screws and lift the plate. You want clear access to the jack. This prevents accidental pulls and keeps cables tidy. Make sure to note which wire color goes where, take a photo if needed, because you'll reference it shortly. Keep screws in a small container so nothing gets lost and you won't delay the next steps. Once done with the plate, loosen the terminal screws that secure the tip and ring conductors. You'll feel a small release when the wires come free. Carefully unwind or lift wires instead of cutting unless you plan to replace them. If the jack is clipped or stapled to the box, pry the clips with a flat head and remove staples with pliers. Make sure to support the jack as you extract it, because yanking risks damaging the wall box or internal cabling. To finish, cap exposed conductors with insulating tape or wire nuts, or install a blank faceplate to protect the box. Once secured, restore power and test the line with a phone or meter to confirm there's no short or open circuit. If you detect noise, intermittent service, or no dial tone, make sure terminals are tight and contacts clean. Replace the jack if corrosion shows. If problems persist, call your service provider.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.